Hi guys, this is my Keerthi. So welcome back to my channel. Today I have shared a beautiful recipe with you. That is a Dalgona coffee. So further delay, let's get into the video. I will share this beautiful recipe with you guys. So for this we need a bowl like this, and next a whisk, a steel whisk, anything you can use, but we don't have electric whisk, and any instant coffee powder, and we need a sugar. 2 spoons of coffee powder I'm going to add, and same quantity of sugar, 2 spoons of sugar. Two spoons of sugar. Hot water. And now I'm going to take this whisk and beat it well. If we have electric whisk, it will be too easier, but I don't have. Already it got a little bit thick paste. I can see, I think even you people can see that. Consistency, you can see it's too creamy. Yes, this is what a complete cream. So this is a side. So now I'm going to take a glass and some ice cubes. So now I'm going to add some ice cubes. I'm going to add some milk. Now I'm taking this cream. Dalgona coffee. I don't know how was it. Musha. It's a really amazing coffee taste. I'm a biggest coffee lover. I know you people know that. So thank you so much for watching this video. This delicious coffee. Thank you so much.